Let's make fridge pickles from radishes and red onions. Donna and I are getting together later this week to film our next YouTube segment, and this is a favorite snack for us while we're filming. I cook a lot by what feels right, so bear with me because my measurements aren't exact here. But I start with equal parts apple cider vinegar and water, then add mustard seed, chili flakes, and sea salt to the mix. While your brine is simmering, start chopping your vegetables. I usually use a couple red onions, a couple bunches of radishes, some ginger, and some garlic. Take your hot brine and pour them over your vegetables. Once that's done, you're going to leave it on the counter for an hour or two to cool, pop it in the fridge, and then enjoy them over the next couple of weeks. They're not preserved, they're fridge pickles, so make sure you enjoy them quick.